Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change YouTube handle name. Why would you want to know how to change YouTube handle name? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to change YouTube handle name. So today I am going to show you how to change YouTube handle name. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing YouTube handle name is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing channel logo in top right corner. Click on it. Now click on your channel. Now click on customize channel. Click on basic info. Here in handle section, edit your handle name. Now click on publish. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change YouTube handle name, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.